This is following on from the previous video where I showed you how to use ModelSim to basically simulate a VHDL file and view the output graphically. And I've left everything as it was. I want to make a point. I'm going to close ModelSim and I'm going to restart it. Nothing there. Okay. So we could change folder. We'd have to go through all this again, basically. And now we get the work folder back. And that's okay. All right. The thing I also mentioned at the beginning was the compile order. Compile options at the moment aren't very helpful for us. We've got to know the order in which to compile things. And I had to do the component before I did the test bench. And that's kind of critical. And if you had a big project, that could get quite difficult to manage. So let's take another approach and let's create a project. So I'm going to actually do the same. I'm going to quit that one. And incidentally, this is what you got. You've got the work folder with the outputs. There's an ini file with settings which you can change to the GUI. Okay. I'm going to work from this one now, part 1 proj. Okay, so it's exactly the same as my starting point last time. I've just got my component, my test bench. There's a backup file there. You can get rid of that. Okay, so let's run ModelSim again. Now I'm going to create a project. New project. I'm going to call it demo. I'm going to put it in this folder here, my part 1 proj. Again, my subfolders have got my sources. Default work library name is work, so we don't have to create that ourselves. This is critical that this is right. Okay, and we're going to copy library mappings. That's fine. Click OK. And that takes us to a new tab. So we had the library here, and now we've got a project. And this view, you can add new VHDL files, or in our case, existing ones. So browse. Okay. Add another one. Let's add the test bench. Okay. We can add folders as well, but let's leave that. So we've got the 2 VHDL files now added to our project. And the question mark is suggesting that the status is unknown, they've not been compiled. So this is kind of useful. You can go compile order under compile and auto generate. So now it knows to do the component first and then the test bench, because it's looked inside them and found the dependencies. So that feature's worth having as it is. Okay, and now we can simply go compile all, and it's all done for us. Slight difference in behavior is if we double click, we get the editor as opposed to simulator. Okay, if we want to simulate, we've got a couple options. We can go to simulate, start simulation, and pick our test bench, or we can go back to the library view, expand it, and just double click as we did before. Here's a nice feature though, simulate end. If I close this, say I need to reboot my machine, or I just want to save some memory, next time I open ModelSim, we should have the project already open. If you close the project window by mistake, you go to the View menu and click Project. Okay. You can close the project and open another one. Or if you want to open the same one, I go to Open, All Files, and it's the MPF file, ModelSim project file. There we go. All right, so achieves exactly the same thing, only it makes things a little bit tidier and easier to work, and I quite like that. If we have a look at the files that it creates, we can see that it's this extra few files here in the folder where the project's stored. Okay, so you've still got your work folder. That's exactly the same. That's where all the compiled output goes. you've got these additional files which are specific to ModelSim.